they're messing around, they step on the back, stand on that, and it's all over. Game, set and match. But there's a very quick way of sorting this out. Get yourself some extra large cable ties. Hard to read, I think that's 8mm. You tighten it away from itself to torque it. A couple of clicks. Yeah? Mm-hmm. If you want to lock them off, you can just slide these up. Yeah? Have a little demonstration, please. My kid is currently destroying the kitchen floor. One second ago. Can you just show a demonstration? Stand up straight, please. You can see anyway. Versus. Yeah?